Hello friends, in Math Chapter 3 Coordinate Geometry, we will study plotting the point in the Cartesian plane if its coordinates are known. So Cartesian plane, we know that two vertical lines x-axis, that is x-axis dash, y-axis, that is y dash. The intersection point is origin 0. OX is the positive direction of x-axis, so it will contain positive numbers. OX dash is the negative direction of x-axis, so it will contain the negative numbers. OY is the positive direction of y-axis, so it will contain positive numbers. And OY dash is the negative direction. Now suppose we know the point 6, 7. Sorry, 6, 4. So point 6, 4. So first coordinate will represent x-axis, second coordinate will represent y-axis. So means point is 6 units in the positive direction of x-axis, and from there we go 4 units in the positive direction of y-axis. That wherever we get the point, like this way we draw the perpendiculars. We get the point. That is the representation of 6, 4. Suppose we want to mark the point minus 2, 3. So x is the minus 2 and y is the 3. So x is in the negative direction minus 2 and y is the 3. So like this way from both the point we draw the perpendiculars where they meet. That point is minus 2, 3. Suppose we are given the point minus 4, minus 3. So x and y both are negative, so x minus 4 and y minus 3. From that we draw, and these are minus 4, minus 3. So like this we can mark the points. Now suppose it is given 0, 5. So x coordinate 0 is here and y positive direction 5. So 0, 5 is the point. And suppose you want to mark 2, 0. Then x is 2 and y is 0, so this point will be 2, 0. So like this we can mark the points in the Cartesian plane. Now we have the example 5 that locate 5, 0, 0, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, minus 3, 5, minus 3, minus 5, 5, minus 3 and 6, 1 in the Cartesian plane. So these points we want to mark in the Cartesian plane. Then we will take x-axis and y-axis. Now 0 positive x-axis will require till 6. So 811 centimeter will write 1 digit. Here negative is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. On positive axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Then first is the x-axis 5, y-axis 0. So this point represents 5, 0. Second is the 0, 5. So we can see that the places of 5, 0 and 0, 5 are not equal. So we cannot write 5, 0 is equals to, we can write 5, 0 is not equals to 0, 5. Same way we mark the 2, 5. So x2, y5. x2, y5, so it will come here 2, 5. x5 y2 it will come here. And so again we can see the points 2 5 and 5 2's places are not equal. Same way x minus 3 and y5 and x5 and y minus 3. So in each condition, if we x and y coordinates interchange, it doesn't become equal. And so we can say that coordinate pairs are xy is not equals to yx. That is equal only when for x coordinate equals to x and y coordinate equals to y. Yet we have minus 3, minus 5 will be coming up, and 6 1, so x6 and y will be 1 will be coming up. Now we will mark these three points are given x coordinate minus 3 7. So first we will draw Cartesian planes axis, x-axis and y-axis. Origin x dash, y dash. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. So x minus 3 and y value is the 7, so till 7 we will write 5 6 and 7. So minus 3 and 7, this will write here, this will represent minus 3 7. Then x0 y minus 3.5, so x0 y minus 3.5, that is between minus 3 and minus 4, so this will be 0 minus 3.5. And x minus 1 y minus 3, so it will come here, that point is the minus 1 minus 3. x4 y4, that will come here, this point will be represent 4 x2 y minus 3, so this point will give us 2 minus 3. Now let's see the exercise 3.3. So in 3.3, question 1 is there. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the point? So points are given minus 2 4, 3 minus 1, minus 1 0, 1 2 and minus 3 minus 5. And verify answer by locating them in the Cartesian flat. So points are given, each location we have to write down. So for the location we draw the Cartesian plan. Then x dash and y dash and origin. So this is first quadrant contains both the coordinates plus as x and y positive direction. Here x is negative, y is positive, so minus plus direction. Here minus direction, and here plus minus direction. Ox is the positive x-axis, ox dash is the negative x-axis. Oy is the positive y-axis and oy dash is the negative. So here first is the minus 2 and plus 4. So minus plus. So minus 2 4 will lies in the second quadrant. In the second is the 3 minus 1. So x3 positive, y negative. The x positive, y negative is the fourth quadrant. So for 3 minus 1 will go in the fourth quadrant. Now x minus 1 and y0, so -1, -2, -3, x negative and y 0. So it will lies on OX dash line. On OX dash ray, you can write. And x1, y2, so both are positive, that is first quadrant. And -3, -5 both are negative, that is the third quadrant. So we locate them. So here we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So we can see that -2, then 4. So this point will be -2 for indicates as we line draw here. 3 -1, so x3 y -1. So like this way we draw the line, and this point will be 3 -1. -1 0, this point will be -1 0. 1 2, so x1 and y2, so we draw the line and we represent 1 2, and -3 -5, so x -3 y -5, this intersection point will be -2 -5. Now question 2 is given. Points are given x and y coordinate -28, -17, 0, -1.25, 1, 2, 3, -1. Locate in the Cartesian plan. So we will draw the Cartesian plan. 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. At the 1 centimeter distance we write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So first x is -2 and y is 8. So we draw the line. And where two lines intersect, that point will be -2a. X is -1 and y is 7. So -1, 7. X is 0, then y is -1.25. So x is 0, then y is -1.25. So it is not exactly half, but 1/4 of that. So here 0 -1.25. X is 1, y is 3, so like this we will draw, it will be 1, 3. X is 3, y is -1, so like this we will draw, this point will be 3 -1. And so our graph is ready.